Are you tired of playing hide and seek with your heater when it comes to keeping your home cozy? Well, I've got just the fix for you. Today we're diving into the world of selecting a reputable heater repair company. Picture this, it's a chilly evening and suddenly your heater decides to take an unscheduled vacation. Don't panic, finding a reliable HVAC expert can save you time, money, and those frosty shivers down your spine. But how do you pick the right one? Let's break it down. First things first, ensure your HVAC savior holds the golden ticket, a license and certification. It's like the ID card for quality workmanship and peace of mind. No license, no service, that's the rule. Next up, it's all about timing. HVAC gremlins don't bother with your schedule. That's why you need a hero available 24/7. Trust me, a repair person who ghosts when your heater misbehaves, not cool. Experience matters. You wouldn't trust your prized possessions with a rookie, right? Similarly, ensure your HVAC magician has a few tricks up their sleeve with years of hands-on experience. The cost talk. Remember, it's not just about the price tag, but the value you receive. Don't get trapped in bargain basement deals. Ask about pricing, payment options, and compare with market rates to avoid being taken for a ride. Safety net alert. Before welcoming any technician into your home, check their insurance coverage. Accidents happen, but being covered means peace of mind for you and your beloved HVAC system. Reputation matters. Go Sherlock Holmes on their background. Check online reviews and ask around. Your neighbors, friends, or even your chatty colleague might have a golden recommendation up their sleeve. Now here comes the exciting part. Join Anthem's Comfort Club today. Trust me, it's the VIP pass your HVAC system deserves. With Anthem's Comfort Club, you get exclusive perks, maintenance visits, discounts on repairs, IAQ products, duct cleanings, and priority service for only $14.95 a month. Say goodbye to HVAC woes and hello to extended lifespans and increased efficiency. So when your heater decides to play hide and seek or your AC goes rogue, remember, a reputable HVAC expert is just a call away. Join Anthem's Comfort Club today for a cozy tomorrow. Stay warm, stay cool, and keep smiling. This is Mike Solomon signing off.